Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today's August 29, 2019. We're going to talk about, will XRP be hard forked? Apparently there is a new situation appearing on the horizon for XRP investors, and it's about the massive selling that Ripple has been doing regarding their asset called XRP and how it is hindering the market in XRP to move higher in price. And finally, somebody seems completely upset with what Ripple has been doing with their token, and now they're trying to call for an hard fork to XRP. We're going to talk about that article, look at a couple of tweets that this individual has placed on Twitter, look at the petition, and as well, he or she is getting death threats for trying to hard fork XRP. And as always, at the end of this video, we'll go ahead and give you all our price movement forecast for this cryptocurrency to see precisely what the market is going to do. Okay. So now this article came out today talking about or referencing XRP investors calling for a hard fork because they're upset of Ripple continuous selling in the market. Now, considering all the negativity that has been coming through in the market for XRP regarding their litigation, if they're in the security or not, regarding the selling of their cryptocurrencies into the market and how it's suppressing price, Brad came out with a couple of tweets trying to explain and clear up a lot of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market for his token. He explained that the sales were specifically done to help expand XRP's utility and build Ripple's other endeavors like RippleNet. So now, if you're using XRP to expand its own utility, then why would you try to help out with your other endeavors like RippleNet? Because RippleNet does not use XRP. Seemingly, it looks as if Ripple is using their XRP token to expand their other endeavors rather than expand XRP's utility. The focus doesn't seem like it's on XRP. It seems like it's on its other software that they have established like RippleNet. There's someone that goes by the Twitter handle Crypto Bitlord posted a couple of tweets signifying his desire to hard fork XRP. This is one of his posts right here. I'm thinking about forking XRP so we don't have to deal with the founders dumping. This will be a community effort. So he's trying to drum up support in hard forking XRP. He directed another tweet to Brad Garlinghouse and then David Schwartz, who is their chief technology officer, giving them a 60-day ultimatum. Here it is right here. You both now have 60 days to stop dumping XRP, or we will stage a community takeover. If it's a decentralized network like you say, we have the power to do it. Frustration is abounding for XRP. Crypto Bitlord recently started the petition to stop Ripple dumping. And at press time, the petition, which has a target of 5,000 signatures, has gone halfway to hitting that 5,000 mark, and it is still increasing. Let's take a look at that tweet. Ripple are finally starting to take us serious. The power of the petition is making waves. You have 60 days to start dumping XRP, or we will stage a community takeover. This Twitter handle or this Twitter feed thread is actually getting some support. You can see right here. And as well, you can see there's some who don't like it and others who are supporting it. So again, not spending too much time on a lot of this drama, but rather let's take a look at the petition. Stop Ripple dumping. 2,663 individuals have already signed this petition. Got to get to 5,000. And let's take a look at these comments here. Ripple is not helping its investors. That was about a month ago. Let's take a look at a couple more. XRP is still XRP and has tons of use cases, but the supply is too much and the crypto can't find its true value. I'm so disappointed about Ripple's strategy. They better should think about what would happen if all investors would sell their XRP. The Ripple project is garbage. Everyone that signed this deserves to be punished for having a low IQ. Dump your bags while there are still suckers that want this shitcoin. Ripple is dumping so that to prompt purchasers. Then they invest our money to their projects and we get nothing. While we buy, they will continue dumping. We should wait until it falls on the ground and then buy something. I already suspected that this was happening long ago, but I still believe in the project. However, this is very upsetting. There is another theory that would be the whales with fake coin tether. It was about time somebody did something about the dumping, at least misspelled, raise awareness. So there you go. He has individuals in his corner that follows precisely his objective of hard forking XRP. Now, if it's possible, that will be a totally different video. But either way it go, he has been receiving apparently death threats regarding his hard forking scenario that he wants to implement. And here's his tweet right here. Sadly, taking some time off Twitter. Received numerous death threats over XRP fork, and I'm continuing to get personal attacks over my pass. To those having a good time, thanks for the support, and I'll see you soon. Now, it doesn't provide any indications of what type of death threats he's been receiving. This article doesn't go into it, but all in all, he's taking a break from Twitter. Okay, so we have to wait and see about 60 days to see if a hard fork really is going to come through. If it doesn't, either he failed to implement his plan or you can't hard fork XRP. Definitely would like to know what you think about this situation that is unfolding in XRP. But for us, our focus, as always, is on the chart. So now we're going to talk about the price move forecast for XRP. And as you can see, the market in XRP from our video on the 26th of August came and hit our price target of 3.2%. Now, I told you even in that video that XRP had to hold 25 cents for support. Yesterday and even today, the market has successfully done it. So we live on in XRP to consolidate. That is simply the expectation over the next couple of days in the market for XRP. You can tell we got that profit off this particular space. Even if we were to get out where we are trading in the market now at XRP, you'll be at 4.25% profit into the market. Okay, we understand precisely how to read price charts without being confused. Okay, real quick look here at the weekly chart in XRP. Again, the following of the previous price charts or price bars on this chart shows you that the strength in the market in XRP is still there. Okay, the best thing that we can look for in the market is consolidation of trading. I'm looking for that in the near term, but this long-term trend definitely looks to see the market in XRP come to around 20 cents. Okay, quick look for our chart. Market definitely try to hold this area for support. We already knew that this area was support, clear to see and the market has been trading around there all day and yesterday, and we finally got to jump off from it now. This area, 26 cents, is impending and resisting XRP from moving higher, so understand that. So I'm not going to put in a price objective because I'm not seeing this market actually move in XRP. So what we're going to do, we're just going to implement a price range in the market for XRP. Okay. And this is it right here. So this is our expectation into the market for XRP over the next couple of trading days. Now, seemingly, the long-term view is still for XRP to move to the downside, okay? Just for the next couple of days, we're expecting this market in XRP to try to hold this area that is depicted on this price chart for a consolidational trading range. Now, within this box that I've just drawn, 26 cents all the way up there to 26.5 are also areas of resistance that you need to keep your focus on. Until then, this market in XRP doesn't look good, even with a lot of this new drama that is popped up recently regarding the hard fork. A lot of people are getting fed up with the trading recently and the price action of XRP, which can be understandable because a lot of action, a lot of partnerships, Ripple is out there grinding in the market to try to get their particular business well known and established in the financial world, but then you're not getting that same type of reaction on price action. That should cause one to question what is going on, and that is what Crypto BitLord is trying to figure out, and he's trying to take action on XRP or Ripple for selling their assets to everyone else, and everyone else is not benefiting while they are. Give us your thoughts, your comments, and as always, make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.